Alright. Let's do this. Alright. Justin, 20-something years old, accused of killing a dog. No, I'm kidding. Go ahead. Oh. I'm kidding. Go ahead. Go ahead.
That was good. That was it.
That was good. No, that was good.
Please rise. All right. Everyone but the jury may be seated. Mr. Bailiff, please swear in the jury. All right. Since I'm also the bailiff, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly listen to this case and render a true verdict and a fair sentence to this defendant? See, this is the part where y'all would say, I do.
Oh,
because y'all do.
I'm not jury. I'm not jury.
Oh, I do. Wait, is that me?
You do. Yeah,
I do.
Yeah.
My fault.
You
I was
do?
trying to sway.
Oh, we only have one jury, huh?
Yeah, my fault, bro. My fault.
We also have a Stacy, but...
All right. Your duty today is to determine whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty, based on the facts and evidence provided in this case.
Okay.
All right.
Right? No, I don't know. All right, can I say?
No, you don't. You don't have to respond to that.
All right.
All right. I'm in bailiff mode again.
All right.
Your Honor, today's case is the case of Mr. FuzzyPoro versus Slickbacksenpai. All right, I'm the judge again. Is the prosecution ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Free.
I'd like to be addressed as Your Honor, please.
Oh, Your Honor, I'm ready.
Is the defense ready?
Free.
Stand up, please. Prosecution, you may call your first witness.
Great. Thank you, Your Honor. Our first witness is Justin. Take a seat. Now, this may be very difficult for you since I'm speaking English. I'm going to try to speak your native language. Read.
Read.
As you can see, Your Honor, he just admitted that his name is Justin. I just wanted to make sure that we all identify what he is. All right? Now we know where we are standing with this person. All right? Now, Justin,
Wait, hold on.
do
Does he have to put his hand
recall...
on the Bible?
That man doesn't know Jesus, bro.
All right, man.
But yeah,
Continue. My fault. I'm just a jury. I shouldn't even be saying that. Pretend I'm not here.
Justin,
I'm sitting on the top.
do you swear to tell the truth and all the truth?
And nothing
So
but
help
the
you
truth?
God?
So help you God.
Yeah, thank you, sir. You do?
Yeah.
Oh, he
Right. Now, Justin, do you remember where you were 2 days ago at approximately 8 p.m.? For everybody's recollection, that is November 14th, 2020, 8 p.m.
Yes.
All right? And where might that be?
We were all in the Emmy room crafting. We, as in me, you, Erwin.
We were all in the Emmy room. Huh. Emmy room. And what does that stand for the jury, in case they do not know what Emmy stands for?
Who, me?
Yeah, no, I'm trying to let him explain to you what Emmy
I can't read. I wouldn't.
Yeah, I can't read.
It seems like the defendant doesn't know.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We'll put it in simple, right? We were all crafting next to what, Your Honor? The Emmy room. Your Honor knows what the Emmy room stands for. But we were right next to the storage, right? And we were all crafting. Now, who is there, to be exact?
Erwin,
that is a question for you.
Kerwin? Okay. So it was 3 people. So I was crafting, Kerwin was crafting, and then you were crafting.
I wasn't crafting.
Everybody. Oh, you weren't crafting? Oh,
no, I was waiting.
You weren't crafting.
Oh, Your Honor, you can sit right there as well. There's a chair right behind you.
Now, what were you exactly waiting on?
Thank you, thank you.
No problem.
Or something to do, to be honest.
Okay, so what you're telling everybody is you were bored on a Wednesday night at 8 p.m., right?
What does that even
Oh,
mean?
no, sorry, Wednesday. My bad. My bad. I keep forgetting days, same way I forgot about my dog. That was exactly actually on a Saturday on 8 p.m., right? So, Saturday, 8 p.m., you're just bored. You're seeing your quote unquote friends. I know, right? This man doesn't have friends. But quote unquote friends crafting, right?
Let's keep it
And then
civil,
what
please.
led you to kill my dog?
Stacy,
What
cue the
led you to
music.
kill my dog?
Stacy, cue the music. Just
You
cue the
didn't
music,
kill my
Stacy.
dog.
It's the same music that I put in the chat.
So you didn't kill my dog. Now,
I did not mean
how
to
did my dog
intentionally.
just die then?
So allow me to explain the equipment I was using on that certain day.
No, that's okay. That will be used as part of my evidence. I do not need your equipment, and you need to only answer my question. Why did you kill my dog? Actually, no, before we go back to that, did you kill my dog?
No. The equipment did.
The equipment did. So this is going to be an argument of that we should not be limiting the use of such magical items when we are crafting or around the household, since it's not the magical item's fault. It is people who kill dogs.
Amen.
Yeah.
After all the accidents that we've had, Your Honor, all right, don't you think this man is purely careless? We have lost so many pets. We've lost so many good people just so this animal treats other animals like that.
I must agree, there have been far too many animals dying in this household.
So your first argument is invalid. It is not your weapon that killed the dog. It was you that killed the dog. So now, with that understanding, you do admit that you killed that dog.
Half a berry.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Your Honor,
Whoa.
please let the record show that he just passed me some illegally obtained berries.
Whoa. Okay.
Some Brock Tar Mexican berries. I do not know how to use these. Please use this as evidence, please.
I gotta get a
This is
photo.
contraband.
Oh, man.
This is contraband. Clearly contraband.
I did not receive the berries.
I think he stolen the berries again. But that is a... Oh, nope, they're still on me. Sorry, I'm kind of mad at it. But we'll wait for his honor to return.
Don't be
You
in the
goddamn
courthouse.
animal.
I definitely just
I
got
will
that
sink you
photo.
to the hanger. I swear to God, I will get you executed. It's the last thing I do.
All right, I'm back. The court may resume.
As I see blueberry in his mouth.
Great, thank you. Now answer the question again. Did you or did you not kill the dog?
No.
You
I did not kill your dog.
So you
Intentionally.
deny.
So what
Okay.
happened? Just so you know, I will catch you on lying while under oath. Alright?
One. I was stirring Kerwin, the king of law. That is the equipment I was using.
Now, where did you use such item?
Inside the house.
Okay, that was inside the house. You was using illegal weaponry inside the house. Okay. Now,
The only illegal weaponry inside the house is a gun. It's a gun that is illegal.
Right?
This key is not illegal.
Your Honor, can I badger this witness, please? I'm gonna honey badger this witness any second now. Ooh. But that's okay. Okay.
You may badger the
Get badger.
Oh, whoa.
You can't badger. That's not.
No
Look at
physical,
everybody.
That's
I'm not
okay.
even-
I'm sorry. He has a shield.
no physical contact, please.
He has a shield. I'm never touching
It hurt. I gotta use my heart pad.
Oh, use your heart pad. Oh, that's crazy. But you don't even have a heart.
Niggas asking if I'm cool. I'm upset.
Okay.
Oh,
Kill these animals.
You have 10 of them.
Now let's continue.
20 of them.
Let's continue, right? So you say you didn't kill it, right? So you used that weapon indoors. Now, was that the first time you used that weapon?
Besides helping you out with Gaia, Indoors?
No,
Yeah.
that's not my question. Yes or no? Was this the first time you used that weapon?
No.
Okay. Let the record show this was not the first time. Therefore, he was not inexperienced with that weapon. Great.
Indeed.
Now,
Noted.
knowing that this was not the first time that you used that weapon, right? You generated this weapon indoors. May I display what this looks like, Your Honor?
Yes.
Now, okay, not everything shows, but as you can see over here, right?
One.
I don't know.
You
how
can't
to
see
See
the
a
red.
floating weapon. You may have to
Okay.
use it over here. Whoa!
Oh,
Yeah, I don't know how it responds. Maybe over here.
Oh, I see a sword. I see swords.
There you go.
I
All right,
see
all right.
floating weaponry.
So now, as you see, I will hold this so I can display this to the jury. All right. The weapons will spawn around you in 5 different directions. To your right, to your north right, to your north, northwest, and then west, right? There'll be 5 directions of these weapons, right? And there will be approximately about 6 to 7 weapons in either direction, right? Once you
Attorney,
let go
may I
of
ask you a question?
yes,
This incident happened indoors?
indoors, Your Honor.
Thank you. That was the question.
Yes.
You may
So-
continue.
So having this weapon, right? When it covers multiple directions and it can spawn inside and outside, right? So there may be some outside of this wall and all of that, right? So as soon as I let go, it exploded at everything around you. Now, you saw this big explosion. I got damaged.
did.
He got damaged. Some people
I
might
got
also
pushed
get
back.
damaged. Now, what room is above the Emmy store?
Stacy's SCP fridge room.
Wow.
Okay. Which is part of which room, sorry? Stacy's room. Alright, thank you. I know that was difficult for you to say, but it's okay.
No,
Right.
but you
So,
specifically asked which room.
Defendant is...
Stacy and I, right, keep our dogs there. There are a total of 3 dogs, you know. Sometimes the dogs stay in the main room, sometimes they stay in the little SCP room to the corner, right? But the dogs are always kept safe, right? So what had happened was when he released the weapon as a joking matter, right? It exploded. The damage that it dealt killed one of my dogs. And therefore, Your Honor, this man is a murderer and he just cannot admit that he's a filthy animal and that's all he ever will be.
Your Honor, he is harassing me.
I was simply badgering him.
Is the badgering finished?
Yes, badgering is complete.
Okay. Do you have any more questions for the defendant?
I don't, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Due to the nature of this courthouse, we must be fair, and now it is time for the defendant to summon his attorney or begin questioning the prosecutor.
Sorry.
Do you have
I would also
any
like to add one thing.
questions?
Your Honor, I would like to apologize. We would also like to add one extra case onto this. This is recent news that just appeared to us. But my outside source also told me that there was a yellow iPod that also mysteriously disappeared around that time, and we'd like to add that extra charge onto this case, please.
Oh,
Hello, iPod.
so you're saying he is responsible for the death of a dog and also an iPod?
Yes, Your Honor.
I swear that yellow iPod is still there.
Yes, of course. The yellow iPod. The orange one is still there, you fucking animal. I'm done. I'm gonna go back and stop badgering him. Thank you.
All
You may
right.
continue, Your Honor. Thank you.
Do you have an attorney to summon, or will you be asking the questions directly?
I have nobody in there.
Damn!
I only had Kerwin, but
So will you be
He's gone.
cross-examining the prosecutor yourself?
yes? Question mark?
Okay.
Never been
Your
to
Honor,
court
this is a
before.
May
clear
I
waste of
call-
my time.
May I call the prosecutor to sit on my left? Okay, you may get up and ask the prosecutor questions now.
So, you also have a key as well.
Yes.
So that is fine. But, may I ask you, do you know how many it spawns as how long you hold it?
What do you mean? How many spawns as long as you hold it?
The longer you hold it, the more
The
spawns.
more it spawns.
Yeah. I did not
Yeah.
hold it for that long. That is your only problem. I only held it for about 2 seconds and then let go of the release trigger.
Could
Okay.
you show us what happens if you hold it for 2 seconds?
Sure. 1, 2.
Oh my god!
As you can see, Your Honor, that's how much damage you took. That was for exactly how much seconds?
2
How much
seconds.
did you cover, Your Honor? You covered
Entire
the width
court.
of the entire courthouse for him holding it for this bullshit 2 seconds, which he cannot prove in any way, shape, or form. All right?
I'm okay.
Oh, excuse me, Your Honor. I need the
Defendant,
Thank you, then.
you may continue that. I don't think that persuaded me that
Oh, Your Honor,
you're-
can we also pile on the case of the murder of Tree Donkey on this case, please?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
No, we won't add that. Let's just say that he knocked the camera over.
No, he did not knock him. I can clearly see Tree Donkeys was slain by FuzzyPoro. Your Honor, please, this needs to be added. All right?
I would like to
This
take the
is
stand for a different trial. I would like. Oh,
I would also like to add Mr. Tree Donkey.
That brings up an extra point I would like to add. Due to the nature of this weapon, you do not know how many have spawned or in which direction they have spawned in. Plus, it gives no clear indication on how many numbers of explosions it will
Objection!
occur.
I'm sorry. You only were talking about time and you held it for 2 seconds and enough spawned to fill this entire courtroom. You may continue to ask the prosecutor questions.
You got questions? Your Honor, may I please call on Tree Donkeys as my witness? Primarily for his murder. Tree Donkeys, would you like to take the stand, please? I know you've just gone through a lot, brother, but you can do this. Tree Donkeys,
Please raise your right hand, Tree Dongus.
do you swear?
Do you swear
tell
to tell the truth
but nothing
the whole
but
truth? And nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you very much. I know this is very short term. I know you've just gone through a lot, but thank you for making this.
The prosecution may cross-examine the witness.
Of course. Now, Chidongas, what do you do for a living, man? What are you? Tell everybody who you are.
You know, I kind of do a little bit of everything. You know, call me jack of all trades. If you wanna
Yeah,
I cook, I decorate. You know, I do some space work here and there. But you know, just whatever I feel like. You know, I don't really have too many, weaknesses. You know, so I'm
Great.
just all around the place.
Great. So you're just a simple man with very simple jobs, and you do what you like. You know, you're just a simple, all-American family man, right? Of course, you know, he's just the American dream. A man who comes on, plays some Minecraft, and he respects and treats everybody equally, right? Now, could you explain to me what led this animal to murder you today?
To be honest, I don't know. I was just sitting where I was supposed to be sitting, minding my business. Just waiting for my saturation to go down so that way I can enjoy a BLT.
Oh, nice.
And,
nice.
Next thing I know,
Defendant, please no
My,
firing weapons in the courtroom.
yeah, I'm sorry, it's a bit distracting, Your Honor. If you could tell him to keep it down.
Your Honor, may I please badger the witness?
You may badger the witness, but please no physical contact.
Your Honor, he
Guys,
put his hands on me, Your
no more
Honor.
screaming. We The stream is
Wait,
Order in the court. Order in the court.
It's okay. It's okay. Now, Sam said they double check, but that's okay. Either way, right? Now, so we figured out that this man killed you for absolutely no reason. Now,
I mean-
could you give the judge here an estimate of how long it took him to murder you? Would you say it was approximately 2 seconds?
1, 2.
Oh my god.
It was instantaneous.
was
I didn't even
instantaneous.
see it coming.
Of
Not
course.
gonna lie.
Now, if you don't,
you know, like I was saying,
if you don't mind me asking, what were you wearing? Did you have any armor on you?
nope, I was completely naked. You know,
So-
I was completely naked.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
As far
it's
as
okay.
armor goes,
Yeah, that's completely fine. So you wore nothing, right? Now, how many hearts does a Minecraft dog have?
I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it can't be much more than mine.
Okay, so how many hearts do you have?
I want to say about a solid 10.
You say about a solid 10. And I'm fairly certain that a Minecraft dog is about 8 to 10 hearts, right?
Okay.
And of course, in this game, if you don't have armor, you don't have different armor rating. Of course, you know it's just that's not a thing that exists. You don't have any resistances as such. We're not a garbage League of Legends, a garbage game like League of Legends, of course. You know. So if you do not have armor, you have the same amount of hearts as anybody else. You know, you have the same amount as HP, and you take same amount of damage. Correct?
Correct.
Meaning, if that blast could kill you, it could definitely kill a dog, correct?
Most certainly, maybe 2 times over. Who knows?
Your Honor, make sure everybody knows that he said most certainly. And with that, you know, I rest my case. I think everybody now knows that he is a killer. Oh, and last but not least, please make sure you follow my boy Tree Dong at Tree Donger, Twitch, Twitter. He's trying his best. Make sure you drop that follow. And don't forget, sometimes you gotta badger these dumbass witnesses. Ooh.
Tree Dungus, you may now step down. And due to the second witness coming up here, do you want to make a case against this, Mr. FuzzyPoro?
No.
All right. Both the prosecution and the defenses have now rested their cases. The attorneys will now present their final arguments. Prosecuting attorney, please come to my left.
Right,
His left.
may I start?
That's your
Would
left.
you like to make a final quick statement?
Yes, of course. You know who they say a man's best friend is? It's their dog. Your dog is your best friend. And you know what made that dog extra special? That dog was my first ever Minecraft dog. Now, not only was that my first ever Minecraft pet, it was presented to me by my girlfriend. Now, the extra layer of specialty that dog held, the extra level of care that I had for him, he was everything I ever wanted. He was everything I ever cared about in Minecraft. And I just could not believe that somebody with such evil intention could exist in this world. This man, without any fear, without any care in his heart, executed my dog point blank. And you know what he said to me after? It was just an accident. Well, Your Honor, he's just an accident.
Order in the court.
I am no accident.
Now, all I would like to say is, I hope the jury can make a good decision for the betterment of America, for us to maintain our freedoms. This man needs to be locked up. That's all I want to say. Thank you, Your
So,
Honor.
are you saying that you would say the defendant is guilty of something?
I would like to say this defendant is guilty of
Guilty
murder
of the charge?
of my dog, of
Okay.
murder of yellow iPod, and then finally of murder of Chidongus. He's guilty on all charges, and I request the highest level of punishment, execution. That is all.
Defense, you may proceed with your closing argument. Please step up. Proceed.
I'd like to say, I am sorry for your dog's death and for Tree's death. It was all an accident. I pointed my weapon in some direction, and they were just caught in the crossfire due to one of the weapons exploding on a higher level. Or in a diagonal level.
What?
I am so sorry. But please, have it in your heart that you may forgive me.
Your Honor,
So,
I would like to
you
say
are
one
saying
thing.
that you are not guilty.
Yes.
Thank
Your
you.
Honor, I would like to say one thing. A life for a life. An animal for an animal. That's what I requested before. Right? And it's not the same anymore. Now it's two animals and a human being. When will it stop? It won't stop. There's only one thing that we could do. We need to stop this man.
Yeah, who the hell's playing this music?
Right.
All right. Members of the jury, you have heard all the testimony concerning this case. It is now up to you to determine the facts. You and you alone are the judges of the fact. Once you decide what the facts, the evidence proves, you must then apply the law. As I give it to you, and I give you the facts to find them.
I'm gonna
I'll give you a moment, and I will return. Give you a moment to decide.
This won't bring my dog back, but it's the least that I deserve.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
All rise, please.
Your Honor, I'm not there yet.
You may come to the courtroom. Have a seat, please.
Don't waste our gas, you animal.
Please sit.
the jury
I
finds FuzzyPoro.
Wait, have you reached a verdict?
Yes, the jury has reached a verdict.
What say you?
The jury finds FuzzyPoro guilty of all charges.
Let's go!
Thank you, jury, for your service today.
Let's go!
Court is adjourned.
Let's go!
Whoa!
He's
The
running
defendant
away,
is
Your
missing.
Honor. Your Honor, he ran away.
The defendant, where's the defendant?
He's in another dimension.
We've got a runner.
request a creative teleport.
You can't.
And
He's in
then
another
you heard
dimension. We can't. He's in another dimension, bro. That's not how that works.
This man needs to pay. This man needs to pay.
It's time to get the task force ready. We've got a criminal to find.
Hopefully the task force doesn't have dogs, because you'll just kill those too.
Oh.
Court is dismissed.
Well,